Okay, I got the movement back together, and if you watched my other videos, they're fairly simple to put back together, reverse order of what you taken off. The only thing different about this movement, it's harder to put back together because this piece here is friction fit, and the other one, videos you saw, got a screw that you could take the star wheel off, but you come in from behind with the top movement, top plate, come in from behind, and you can work its way in. But now I'm gonna oil the movement before I put the other parts on. There's a piece of wire that has been flattened out, and you dip it in your oil and go around and oil each pivot. It only takes just a drop. You put too much oil on, the clock is going to get dirty really fast. So it only takes a drop. If you got too much oil, wipe it off. Again, I use synthetic motor oil. You can use what you want. Move the other oil the other side. The piece of wire that's flattened seems to work rather well. And then you put the rest of the parts back together, and that's what I'm going to do now. When you're putting the parts together, make sure, and if you watch my other videos, when you put this piece in here, make sure that when you put it in, that this tab here hits the third wheel pin or the warning lever on this tab, and that this piece here is in this. And if you don't have it set right, you can always remove this cam to set it right.